Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Walmart winter box, the Walmart beauty box. I somehow have two, so I don't know if I accidentally ordered two or maybe one was accidentally sent to me. I think they might be the exact same, but we're gonna take a look today because it says the winter box variation 9, I'm guessing is what that V9 means. But anyways, I'm super excited to open this today. The most affordable beauty box. It's $6.98 per season. It wasn't too long ago I opened the fall box, but that was because I just resubscribed. So that's why I'm thinking maybe this was just like my lucky day and I got two. But anyways, yeah, we're opening this today. I will link the Walmart beauty box down below. Kind of alluded to this, but I do pay for this one myself. And it's really great. You get mostly samples, but it's pretty affordable. You pretty much just pay shipping to get it, and you get some full-size items, and I've always been happy with it. So yeah, I love the price point too. So let's just get started and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like. I liked the fall box. I'm trying to think. I know I got a scrunchie I like. So Winter Wonders. And then a little sneak peek. Ooh, I definitely see a full-size mascara. That's cool. I literally just opened a new mascara yesterday. I've had it for a while. I know it's like a cult favorite, but it's like the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I actually do like it. It's not the same as my Thrive, but I do like it. So anyways, Winter Wonders is the theme. Inside they give you a list of items. So they have like some like featured items, and then they also say there can be some variations or surprises. It says, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise. And you can also like scan this if you subscribe and take a survey and potentially win something. I can't remember what it is. But anyways, it says, time for a little TLC. Winter Radiance has arrived. Kick off a season of self-care with skin saviors, pampering picks, and hydrating hair heroes, all under $20 each. We've rounded up our faves to keep you feeling glowy all season long. And then you can shop the full size or whatever at their website, walmart.com/beautybox. So I feel like this was a featured item in the fall box as well. So let's start with that. This is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier, and this one's in tangerine. Okay, good. The last one I got, it tasted like it was pineapple something, and I like eating pineapple fruits, but like anything pineapple flavored in a drink, I think it's from like alcohol or cocktails I've had in the past. I just couldn't do it. But tangerine, this sounds up my alley. So this is like, you add it to some water and it helps with immune support and hydration as well. Yeah, you add it to 16 ounces of water. The full size would be a 6 count of this and would be $9.98. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently while maintaining and strengthening the immune system. Yeah, I think the other one was just, no, the other one we had caffeine in it. So I was like excited about that. But this I'm excited about too. We can all use, like in the winter box too, I feel like getting a little immune boost is nice. It's probably like vitamin C and stuff. Yeah. So, and then the other is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So I think these two items everyone got, judging by this, but maybe I'm wrong. So nice to get more moisturizers, especially since my parents are coming in town. I used to have like such a surplus of like skincare, especially, but now like my parents love, like my dad especially, like good moisturizers and stuff. So I've been giving those to them, and also like my giveaways I do monthly and stuff like that. Then I'm like running low, and my parents are coming in a few days, so I'm like, okay, good, I'll take anything, and it'll be my Christmas gift to them. But I could use some too. But they live in Chicago most of the time, and this is for very dry to dry sensitive skin. Extra moisturizing for up to 48 hours, sweet almond oil, and essential vitamin B and B3. And I feel like they could use it more in Chicago. And I'm just such an amazing daughter, right? There's also another Cetaphil item in here, and it's not listed on here, so it must be like one of their bonus items. Cetaphil Healing Ointment Skin Protectant for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Nice. Perfect to include these in a winter box. Then let's talk about this full-size mascara by CoverGirl. This is the Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara 3-in-1. So it plumps and volumizes your lashes, thicker, longer, stronger lashes in 4 weeks. Have you guys tried this before? And this is in black. This is full size and it's $9.97. So this is more than you pay for the box. This like makes the box by itself. And we have 3 more items. I love getting these. This is a hair mask. Argan oil from Morocco, repairing deep conditioner, strengthens and restores dry damaged hair. So these last like 3 conditions washes for me. And I love this. I don't know if I've tried this one specifically, but this is another great thing to add in a winter box for dry damaged hair. I could totally use this. I go through conditioners faster than shampoos. Or no, the other way around maybe. Someone thought that was weird. We had this debate, like what do you run through most? Because you know sometimes you get like the 2 from a company and they're the same size. I feel like I would run out of the shampoo more. I don't know, but I've just put the conditioner like on the lower half of my hair. But anyways, I'm just like rambling now. It's like I'm acting like you guys are here as having a girl chat, but we are. But I'm happy to get this for sure. And then what's this little cute thing? Peach Slices Snail Rescue Oil-Free Moisturizer. So we got a sample here. Look how cute it is. And I haven't used a snail. No, you know I'm actually using the It Cosmetics like CC cream now, and that has some snail mucin in it, and I really do think like I'm kind of glowy here from that. I'm kind of naturally glowy all the time, or sweaty, I don't know, one and the same. Snail mucin is celebrated for its hydrating, exfoliating, blemish fighting, and dark spot targeting properties. Yeah, I used to think it sounds gross, and I was like, wait, are they like abusing the snails when they do this? But they actually like put them over mesh, and like they collect their mucin. It sounds nasty, but it works. And it's from like Korean skincare and they know what they're doing. Look at their skin. And then yes, the last thing in here, I could use some of these because I'm like breaking out right now. I'm like, come on now, I'm like going out this weekend. It's holidays. But these are by Real Beauty. It's RAEL. Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Cover, ideal for on the surface spots. So this is like, well, there's 24 patches in here. So this is a full-size thing. So it's like colloidal hydrocolloid patches that you put on your pimples. It's good if you want to just like keep from picking, or if you pick, it's good to stop from getting the bacteria in there. But these are great, and I think this is a great thing to get. Oh, there's 2 sizes in here too. That's nice. 10 millimeters and 12. Nice, that's awesome. So this is $5.98. So yeah, just by the 2 full-size items here, it's like $15, and then we got all of this as well. I think it's so worth it. I mean, it's one of the only beauty boxes I paid for myself now because I could. I was like, I want to get more boxes on the channel. I'm like, I can afford this one. You know, I know not everyone can spend money at all, but like if you want to get a gift for someone or yourself, and it's like a little square, you know, I think it's worth it. Okay, I'm looking at the other box now, and it does look like it is all the same items. I kind of figured because it had the same variation number. So if you guys got this box and you got a different variation, let me know what's different in your box. Let everyone know in a comment. I'd really appreciate it. So you know you're going to see some of these items in upcoming giveaway. So I do a giveaway every month for those who are not familiar to give back to you guys because I'm so grateful for your support, your friendship. I love you guys so much. I hope you are well. How are you doing? And yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. So grateful. Bye.